Hey, it's Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2018 Ram. It is a Laramie. Max Steel is the color. Kind of a dark blue, black, metallic. It's a good looking truck. 20-inch wheels on it. Of course, they're high polished chrome. Got chrome mirrors, chrome door handles. Here's a look at the paint in the sunshine. I hope you can see the metallic group on it. Truck's in great shape. Got a spray-in bed liner. Of course, it's a crew cab, so it's got the bigger rear doors on it. Has the standard factory flares. Four-wheel drive, backup camera. It's got backup sensors. Hitch's already on it. Wiring's already on it. Got power sliding rear window. That's a good looking truck. Like I said, it's got a spray-in bed liner. It's had some cargo in it, but it's not really beat up. Let me show you more about it. Crew cab, rear doors. Of course, it's got leather seats in it. Like I said, power slider. Got a rear defroster, doesn't smell like smoke. Seats fold up individually. It's called a flat load floor. Got storage underneath. Got in-floor storage. Driver's door. Of course, windows and locks. Where the power mirrors will retract in. Got automatic headlights. Got power adjustable pedals. Tilt wheel. It's the handle you see right there. Power seats. Has memory seat. Of course, these are heated and cooled. Has a center console that flips up. Turns into a seat in the center so you can sit three across. 4-inch radio with navigation. Of course, Bluetooth for the phone. Heated seats. Cooled seats. Heated steering wheel. Four-wheel drive. Automatic course. Got 19,600 miles on it. Good looking truck. Call me on this one. Hi, it's Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you. Even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.